My boy's like, hey dude, what's the fastest way to make money online? Hey Rob, what's the fastest way I can get some extra cash for the weekend? In this video, we're going to talk about the fastest way you can make money by the weekend. What's up guys, Rob Reese here. Thank you so much for checking out this video. How in the world will you be able to make a little extra cash by the weekend? That's what this video is all about, and it's utilizing two really simple websites. So let's go ahead and take a look. First, you're going to want to go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website that you literally can get almost anything done for you. You can get videos completed, you can get voiceovers, you can get a number of different projects done for you on this website. Really, any type of freelancing service is available for you. And the great thing is that you can get really high quality work done for very, very cheap. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're not going to have to pay for anything up front. What we want to do is go to the website and just do a little bit of digging for different types of services. Okay, so let's say if you're really into video animation, okay, go ahead and click on video animation. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see a bunch of different sub niches available. Okay, so what we want to go for is really the low-hanging fruit, or just some of the more simple things that you can do. So what we want to do is look at intros and outros, or if you noticed the category right next to it, logo animation. Now this one is going to be something a little bit more simple for you guys to start out with. Now what I want you to be able to do is filter through what we want to look for. Okay, so first and foremost, we want to make sure that the person speaks English. Okay, we want to price range this, up to like $20 from $0 to $20 max. We don't want to spend any more. And now, what we want to do is click online. Now, this part you can kind of go or leave. It's really up to you, but it's going to allow you to see who is available to chat with if you have any questions. Now, what we want to do is we want to find people who have done exceptional service. And let's see here. What we're going to want to do is filter anyone who has been on here for a while. So what we want to do is go for top rated sellers. Okay, top rated sellers. These guys are the ones who have done work over and over again for people. As you can see, 1,000 plus, 200 plus, 300 plus different gigs have been purchased from them. So you can be rest assured that the quality is going to be there. And what you're going to want to do is go through and just kind of take a look at some of the animations that they do. Like, that was pretty cool. That one's pretty cool as well. So you just get an idea. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and add to saved. Okay. Now, once you find a vendor and an animation that looks pretty good, what you're going to want to do is go and head on over to Craigslist. Okay. Now, if Craigslist is not available in your area, that's fine. You can certainly look up any type of garage sale type of forum available in your area, especially if you're overseas. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the for sale. Okay, this way that what you can do is look for, where is it? Sorry guys, this is, here we go, under services. Services, okay. What you want to be able to do is come on over here and check out small biz ads, okay, small biz ads. This is for something that you put up $5 or $10 on, And what you're going to do is simply put, I can go ahead and create any type of logo for your small business for X fee. Obviously, the fee should be more than the fee of what it costs to get it done. And what you're going to want to do is put a link inside of the description of this to a video such as this. Now, how are you going to get the video? That's where you're going to ask this person to provide you a detailed logo video with a watermark. They'll be more than happy to give you one with a watermark because it can't be used. And what you're going to want to do is take that video, upload it to YouTube. Okay, go to youtube.com. And what you're going to want to do is upload that video here. Okay, it's very simple. Just click on upload video. Take the video that they've sent you via text on Fiverr.com, upload it, make it private or unlisted so that you're the only one that can see it, that when you have the link available. And then what you're going to do is put that link in here, or just put your information on, hey, contact me if you'd love to see my work. And then you're going to go ahead and grab the URL from the said video here so that when they're ready, you go ahead and send them the email back here. Now, the other way that you can utilize Fiverr to make a couple of extra bucks by the weekend is by going to Facebook. Okay, everybody and their mother has a Facebook page, and you should as well. Now, if you've been living under a rock, then you would know that they have a place called Marketplace. It's kind of like their version of Craigslist. Now, what you're going to be able to do here is click on sell something and type in logo for small business. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do that right now. Items for sale, category. We're going to do, let's see here, miscellaneous. What else do we have available here? We have a couple of other places that we can put it, but we could just put it as miscellaneous. Video animation service. Okay, price. You know, you can really name whatever you want. $99. Go ahead and put a picture if you'd like, or if it allows you to put a link inside here to the video. Boom, right? And then by the time this is all up and running, you now have something available for sale that once they've contacted you for more details, right? Send them whatever they need. Get the information from these guys on what you would need to provide them a name of the company, a logo in PNG format, whatever it may be. Ask these guys via chat what they would need ahead of time. So you could just click on contact me here. Ask them, hey, what do you need ahead of time before creating one of these, and how long is it going to take to create one of these logo animations? And then, of course, get back to the business owner here. Hey, it's going to take me 3-4 days to put it together. Put down half now, and of course, because Facebook has a marketplace, you now can accept payments via PayPal. Say, hey, listen, can you put 50% down? And then, of course, now, guess what? You have the money to go ahead and pay this guy for the animation of their logo. So, guys, that's all for today. I hope this has been helpful. Go ahead and try this out. This is certainly going to be a great way for you to get some extra cash for the weekend, some extra beer money if you drink beer, or whatever it is. Get some soda for yourself. But guys, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing all sorts of additional videos on how you can make a little extra money online. Also, check out the link in my description below for the best absolute training on how to make money from home, a full-time income from home. It is free to view the video down below. Go ahead and click that link, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy, guys.